Have you ever been so comfortable watching TV, but your dogs won't stop nagging you to go feed them? If so, then I have the perfect invention for you. Introducing the Auto Dog Feeder 3000. All you have to do is call your dad. Once he answers, ask him politely, since he is much closer than you are, if he will start the machine for you. Once he says yes, your work here is done. Here's how it works. Your dad will simply pull back the mallet and release it so that it hits the golf ball. The golf ball will travel up the ramp and hit the dominoes. The dominoes will fall over each other and hit another golf ball. This golf ball will go down the funnel and go down the ramp so that it hits the Jenga block out of the way of the duct tape roll. The duct tape roll will roll down the ramp and hit the bowl so that the string that's holding the dog food up will release and the dog food will fall into the bowl. When the mallet collides with the golf ball, it is an elastic collision, but not perfect. The ball is at rest while the mallet swings towards it at a specific velocity. When they collide and bounce off of each other, the system then has greater momentum to the left. The mallet gives the ball velocity and transfers its momentum to allow the ball to make it up the ramp, while the mallet swings backwards with less momentum. This shows that momentum is conserved in this collision, but kinetic energy is not. The leftward force of the golf ball overcomes the static friction acting on the domino from the table and converts it to kinetic friction. The force of gravity pulls the domino down. This changes its gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy, and since each domino has the same distance between them, the one before it is able to convert its potential energy into kinetic energy. Since each domino is hit under its center of gravity, or balance point, they all topple over. The roll of duct tape begins at rest with gravitational potential energy mgh. It rolls down the ramp, and this potential energy becomes rotational kinetic energy 1/2 I omega squared and linear kinetic energy 1/2 mv squared at the bottom of the ramp. The duct tape is a hoop with a moment of inertia mr squared. It has greater rotational inertia than, say, a solid disk because its mass is distributed around its outer edge, the furthest away from the axis of rotation possible. This means that it will start to roll down the ramp fast, but not pick up speed as quickly as a disk would. It has to use up more rotational kinetic energy. This is why it does not hit the bowl with great enough force to knock it off the chair, just move it slightly. Now your dogs are happy and fed with you doing minimal work, and you can get back to watching your show. Thanks for watching!